My name is Kiari. My name is Mikaela, and we're both a part of the YouthBuild program. What we doing in the garden today is we basically just walk through and finish cleaning it and stacking the stuff up against the gate so the trash people can come get it, leveling it out so when we lawnmower it, it could be perfect with no interruptions. It was a lot of bins of dirt. It was like garden beds up in here. It was a lot of them. We had to break those down. We had to take the screws out of there. We had to break those down. We put those up. And it was just a lot of stuff everywhere. So we really did make a lot of improvement, definitely. Yes, I'm definitely excited to see the final product. I feel like I'm going to be very proud of us because,
this is a lot for females, a lot of lifting and stuff.
Yes, I'm hot.